Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing the Mission to the Moonphase, so the latest Swatch X Omega collaboration release, so something really cool. Make sure to stick until the end of the video because I'm going to tell you a bunch of things about the Swatch, and also I'm going to show you a few things that you need to order in order to enjoy this particular model even more. If you want to see everything that you need to know about the Mission to the Moon, how to use it, the chronograph, how to reset everything, I have a full guide for this exact model. I'm going to make another one for the Mission to the Moonphase so that you know how to properly set the Moonphase. And without any further ado guys, let's unbox it and have a look at this very cool and interesting new Swatch watch. So this particular model is going to be a little bit more expensive compared to the other releases. As you can see, we have here all the information about this particular model and why this collaboration is really important. I'm going to talk about that as well. So the price in dollars and in euros, depending on your location, is going to differ a little. So I'm going to list them here on the screen so that you know. As you can see, the watch boxes have the same design. You are going to take this cardboard cover off, and then we have this cardboard case, which when you open should show you the Mission to the Moonphase. As you can see, a very beautiful model. Here we have the white version. As you might already know, there is also the black version, so you need to decide which one you like more. I already have the Mission to the Moon, so the black version, and that is why I decided to go with the white in order to have a little bit of diversity. As you can see, all the specs, so the dimensions, everything is identical, so you don't get a different case or a different material. You also have the Velcro strap. Here on the right and left we have the booklets, so you can use these in order to read a little bit more about the swatch that you have, and also you are going to get these booklets where you have all the models that have already been released, so something really cool. And then you have this extra Mission to the Moonphase booklet where you have all the information about this swatch, so very interesting. I'm going to show you how to do that, so something really cool. And then here we have the watch. I'm going to take it out, and here we have the model, as you can see, with the Velcro strap that as you can see also has here Mission to the Moon swatch. So you do not have the Mission to the Moonphase. It isn't a personalized extra compared to the original Swatch X Omega release. Here on the back we can see that we have the Mission to the Moon writing, and we have a very different cover with Snoopy let's say landing on the moon and leaving a footmark right there, so something really cool. As you can see, there is going to be a difference between each of your watches, so each Mission to the Moon or Saturn, Jupiter and so on is going to have a different color and a different back cover. I'm going to show you how to also replace the watch battery in a future video if that is something that interests you. The watch case, as I mentioned, features the same specs, so we have a 42mm case width, which is going to be identical to the original Omega Speedmaster, and then we have a 47.2mm lug-to-lug width, and then we have the 13.2mm thickness, which includes the acrylic watch crystal. The watch is also bioceramic, so it isn't plastic, it is something in between, which is biodegradable. I don't know how long these watches are going to last, but we are going to see further down the line. Then we have, as I mentioned, the Velcro strap, something that maybe they could have upgraded since they have also asked for something a little bit extra. So this is a more expensive Swatch watch compared to the first release. And here the only thing that is different, we have the Moonphase complication, something really cool. So you have a proper Moonphase complication, which is going to go to 29.5 days. Let me show you fully. As you can see right here, we have it up to 29.5 days, and it is going to be split into two. We have two Snoopies on each side, and you are going to be able to adjust it using the Swatch website. So you need to go to the Swatch website and see the correct position of the Moonphase, and you are going to use this pusher in order to set it. I'm going to also show you how to do that, but other than that, the watch is identical. Now, something that I have mentioned in the beginning is that you need to order something extra in order to enjoy this watch better. And that is going to be your rubber strap in white, which is going to be integrated. So in order to fully integrate within the lugs, and then you are going to order a UV flashlight because you do not get one with the watch. This is $10 on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to both of these. I would definitely recommend to also upgrade your watch strap because, as you can see on my Omega Mission to the Moon, I have upgraded to a black strap. As you can see, it is fully integrated. It is very nice on the wrist. I completely enjoy it, and once I have made this change, I can never go back to these Velcro straps that I must say are very cheap. This is a big disadvantage when it comes to these Swatch watches. Now, you are going to need this UV flashlight in order to be able to read the secret message and also to see all the details on the Moonphase. As you can see, this is the watch in regular light, and when I take the UV flashlight, as you can see, we have a secret message right here on the dial, which says I can't sleep without night light, so something really cute. As you can see, also the moon is lit up, and also the stars. This is something really cool. And also, as you can see, the stitching on the strap is also going to have this very bright lume, so something really cool. If you put these two models side by side, you can see the obvious difference between the two. And once again, you need this flashlight in order to fully enjoy your watch. So you can use this, let's say, as a party trick, something really interesting that some of the people that have seen this model online don't really know. So this is something really cool, but you need to order this in order to see this light, because Swatch is not going to provide you with one when you order the watch. It is going to come within this cardboard watch box, and also the regular Swatch bag, so nothing fancy and extra compared to the previous release. I'm going to also show you how this Swatch strap looks like, so something really cool. This one came really fast, so just in a few days. As you can see, it is white and it has this angle which is going to perfectly align within this gap. So this is the exact same style that I have on my other model. As you can see right here, the same texture, the same angle, so everything is the same. So you are going to be able to order these straps in various colors depending on the exact moon swatch that you have, so make sure to check them out. It is also going to come with this pin removers, so with this small watchmaker tool that you can use in order to interchange them, so that is really cool. Now, if you want to set the Moonphase, as I mentioned, you need to go to the website and you are going to pull the crown all the way where you can actually adjust the time, and you are going to push the second pusher, so the bottom pusher, and as you can see, Snoopy is going to move. It is also going to have this faster rotation, so make sure to take your time when you properly set your Moonphase. Also, you can use the top pusher in order to start the chronograph, then to pause it, and the bottom one in order to reset it. As you can see, I believe that the reset is faster on this one, so very nice and interesting thing. So guys, this is how it looks on the wrist. As you can see, the same problem with the Velcro strap that we had before with the previous releases, but other than that, a very nice dial. Snoopy really pops out, so you can definitely enjoy this. And I'm also going to show you how it looks side by side with the previous model. And now guys, this is a side by side with the Mission to Mars model. As you can see, the strap and the dial collar and the bezel are very similar, but you can really see the difference when it comes to the Moonphase option right here. But I would say that everything looks identical, so not something that you can see from afar if you have this version compared to this one, or the other way around. And this is side by side with the Mission to the Moon model. I really like how it looks on the rubber strap. Once again, make sure to make the upgrade. I'm going to show you how to also replace the strap. As you can see, this model looks smaller and better integrated on the wrist compared to this one that is quite bulky. But other than that, a completely different style. I like to have both the black and the white version, so I would say that you should go with this one if you want to have the original, let's say, Mission to the Moon, and then you have a Snoopy upgrade, and you can go with the white in order to have a very nice contrast on your wrist in your collection. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. So guys, that was the video for today. This is the unboxing. I'm going to make another full tutorial on how to use the chronograph, how to reset it, how to align the chronograph to 12 o'clock, and also how to align the Moonphase. So to also show you the exact Moonphase on Swatch and how you can adjust it. And also we need to change this strap. Also, if you want to replace the watch battery, I have a full tutorial on how to do that. Once again, guys, I have a link for everything in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe for more watch related content, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.